Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are gaining value for your time on this channel. Okay, so I would like to show you guys the Fibonacci retracement setting on how you can set it on your chart. On your left hand side over here, if you can see my chart very well, you will tap on this arrow here that shows you Fibonacci retracement. For mine, it's already started already because I use it a lot. So you see it start already and you use it like this. Now it's your Fibonacci will not come out like this because it will be in a default form. But because of I have already set mine already, that's why my own is like this. Now, if I tap on my setting, there are different numbers that are here. You can uncheck all these boxes. You can uncheck all these boxes and leave 0, 0.5 and 1, the most important one. Then if you scroll down, you will see what they call background. Look at now, I on the background. You can see it here. I switch on the background. I don't like my chart being so noisy or colored. So I offed everything. I dragged it back and I removed all the background. Are you with me? So setting up your Fibonacci should not be that hard. You just uncheck all the boxes. You can turn it to black colors for your convenience actually. Now, for a Fibonacci, the up section is the premium depending on how you're using it, either for a buy, but for a sell, the up section is the premium and the down section is the discount. 0.0 to 0.5, that if you are using a sell momentum, it's a, let me use this example for you. This is a break of structure here, right? This is a break of structure here, and I'm going to use my Fibonacci from the high to the low, signaling to you that this upside is the premium and the downside is the discount. If it is a buy situation, let's assume market is buying, right? Let me find a buy for you. If market is buying, if market is doing a break of structure like this one as a buy, this is a buy scenario, I will start my process from here, from the low to the high. This for a buy. The low would be my premium and the high will be my discount. Now note, 0 to 0.5 is discount, 0.5 to 1 is premium. The same thing goes for a sell momentum, 1 to 0.5 premium, 0.5 to 0 discount. Now, the 50% is equilibrium. This is your equilibrium, 50%. If you are if you are doing the PD array, that's my previous video that I did. PD array, you're going to use this format: liquidity void, fair value gap, bearish order block. You look for it around here. If you are using the bearish scenario, that is the discount scenario for the buy, bullish, it will be liquidity void for bullish momentum, fair value gap for bullish momentum, bullish order block for bullish momentum. Now, if you use the whole PD array format and this whole situation, this is for a bearish momentum, which is downtrend. You can see this as, this is a straightforward method. If you do the PD array, order block in the premium, we have here fair value gap in the premium, and what again, liquidity void. No, it does depend on how you analyze your chart. It depends on how you analyze your chart. Okay. Oh, this market is the current one for the week, so I'm targeting here. But if you look at it very well, if you can go down to a lower time frame as low as 1 hour, you can have taken the buy from here using our Fibonacci from the high to the low, from the high to the low, and you'd have taken the buy from here, but I'm not analyzing on this chart. The goal of this video is to make you understand how to use the Fibonacci, and you can see how you can change your chart entirely and become profitable using this method. You can see market breaking structure here and came back here, and I'm targeting here for the new week for my bearish momentum from 4 hours. I hope this video was good for you. Set your Fibonacci, know how to use the Fibonacci and how to arrange your setting, your equilibrium, premium, and your discount, and also how to use the liquidity, the PDRA flows from here, the bearish momentum and the bullish momentum. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel, ask your questions, comment on the comment section, share this video to your friends that are struggling, and I'll try my best to reply all the messages. Thank you.